Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khalid and welcome to my channel Math Madness by Aisha Khalid. So, in the previous videos, we discussed how to graph equation of lines. We discussed the coordinate system from the equation, how to find out the x or y given one of the variables. Now, let's dig deeper and understand what's the gradient of the line. So, gradient is basically slope of the line. It tells you how steep or flat a line is. There are four possibilities of a line: downward sloping, upward sloping, vertical, horizontal. So a downward sloping line has a negative gradient. So whatever value it has, but it will have a negative gradient. Upward sloping line has a positive gradient. A horizontal line has zero gradient and a vertical line has an undefined gradient. So these are two special cases. Now let's do it on the real lines that we have. Now how do we find the gradient? The notation of gradient is m, and the formula for gradient is rise upon run. Rise means when you move upwards, it's positive movement. When you go downwards, it's negative movement. When you move forward, it's plus movement. When you go backwards, it is negative movement. Now, let's do a couple of questions. Given the equation of the line representing each of the following, find the gradient and state the y-intercept. All right, so first thing is we need to locate the grid points. What are the grid points? The grid points are, you can choose this point, you can choose this point, this point, this point, or this point, any point. Select any two points. So for example, I'm selecting this one and this one. Now to go from point 1 to point 2, what is the rise and what is the run? So we go up by 2 units and then we go forward by 2 units. How are we saying this is 5 boxes is 1 unit? 2 times 1, so gradient is 1. What is the y-intercept? The point where the line cuts the y-axis. So it cuts the y-axis at 0. Now what is the equation of the line? It's mx plus c. So it becomes y is equals to 1x plus 0. That's my answer. Let's move on and do the second part. Let's identify the grid points. There's so many over here. Let's take this one and let's take this one. One rise, one run. One rise, one run. So the gradient is 1. What is the intercept here? It's a -1 because the line cuts the y-axis at -1. The formula is y is equals to mx plus c. Now let's look at the third part. This is one grid point. This is another grid point. So from this point, the one point to the second point, we run 1 units and we go down by 2 units. So the gradient is a -2. What is the c here? The value of c here is 8. Y equals to -2x plus 8. Now let's look at another part. D. This is 1 point and let's take this as my another point. Now if we look at the run is 16 units. And we are going down 4 units. So the gradient is a -1 upon 4. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 4. So y equals to mx plus c. That's my equation of the line. Okay. Now let's look at the E part. One grid point, another grid point. So from this to this, we are running 2 units and we are rising 3 units. This is my gradient. What is my intercept? 3. That's my equation of the line. Okay, let's look at the F part. This is -1 and this is -3. Okay. So from this point to this point, we run 1 unit and we go down by 3 units. My value of C is a -3. Y equals to -3x minus C. That's going to be my equation of line. Last two parts left, G and H. Let's take this grid point and let's take this grid point. So from 4, you can also go from 3 to 4. It doesn't necessarily have to be from 4 to 3. So from this point to this point, I'm going back 3 units, going up 4 units. So this is my gradient. My value of C is a 4. H. 1 point, another point. Going forward 5 units, going up 4 units. So its run is 5 and the rise is 4. What is the intercept here? 4 here. That's my equation of the line. Now, let's look at question 7. So as I mentioned earlier, a horizontal line has 0 gradient. Why 0? Let's take this point and let's take this point. So the run is 3 units and there is no rise. So it's 0. 0 upon 3 is a 0. For line 2, let's take this point and this point. The rise is 1 unit and there is no run, 0. Whenever there's a 0 in the denominator, it's undefined. You can't find the answer. It gives you a math error in the question. All right, let's discuss a couple of advanced level questions and understand how good grip you have on gradient concept. Find the gradient of each of the line segments. Let's talk about line 1. Line 1. This point and this point. 1 unit run, 1 unit down. So rise upon run, -1 divided by 1. So it gives you -1 as my answer. Line 2. Line 2 is a horizontal line. So a horizontal line has gradient 0. Line 3. Let's take this point and let's take this point. You can take any points on a line, right? So I'm taking the grid points. Grid point means the points where these two grids meet. 1 unit run, 1 unit rise. So 1 upon 1. All right, line 4. In line 4, there is no grid point. This is a 0.5. And we can look at here, this is a 1.5. So 0.5 to 1.5, it is 1 unit run. 1 unit run. How many units down? This is a 2.5. So it's half, 1, 2. 2.5 units down. All right, so the gradient here becomes -2.5. Let's look at line 5. So I said a vertical line has gradient undefined. You can't find out its gradient. Why? Because let's take this point. There is 1 rise and 0 run. So it becomes anything divided by 0 is undefined. You can't find it out. In the figure, line 1 is parallel to the x-axis. Okay. So we have to find out the gradients of line 1, 2 and 3, 4. So line 1 is parallel to the x-axis. Anything that's horizontal, the gradient is 0. Line 2. Now line 2 is parallel to line 5 and line 4 is parallel to line 6. Parallel lines have the same gradient. Learn this concept. So line 2 will have the same gradient as line 5. So the gradient is going to be -3. Now line 3. Line 3 is a vertical line. A vertical line has gradient undefined. Line 4. Line 4 is parallel to line 6. And line 6 has gradient 1 upon 2. So line 4 will also have the gradient 1 upon 2. All right. Thank you so much, folks. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll cover more topics. Allah Hafiz.